So welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss the third and the last way to optimize it. This will be the fastest way of doing this problem and this will be the most optimized. So let's begin. So I'll first tell you how to do this and how you can actually solve this issue. So now again we have an array and that array is 8, 5, 6, 7, 2. And this doesn't need to be sorted now. And then we have a sum that's again 10. Now what we will do, we will first make this into a JSON or a hash map. Whatever you use language, it's called that, or dictionary in a Python. Now we will have 8, 5, 6, 7, 2. 0th element, first element, second element, third element and fourth element. So this is how it will look. Now what we will do, we know that the other part or the pair needs to have something but sum minus this. For example, I'll give sum that is 10 minus 8 is nothing but 2. Now we know that we need 2. We will look up if we have 2, yes, done. If we don't have 2, then no. And it will go for the next one. And then we will see, do we have what is there? Sum minus 5. So it will be 5. We'll see, do we have any other 5? No, we will go there. 6. So 10 minus 6, we need 4. Do we have 4? So if we have 4, it will go, otherwise it won't. So let's begin and let's start coding where we will do the literal part. This will be the empty object and index, which will be 0 at the first time. This is just the initialization. We will also make an array of result. Let's name it result, and this will keep all the results which we are making. Now we will do a for in loop for index in array, and then we will check if we have it or not. So if our array is empty or not, so for that, the object hash array, and we will put index here and results dot push. We will push the result hash array and index, and the other one will be this is the key and this is the value. So the first one and the second one, array of index, yeah. And now console log, we will console log the same thing. We'll take it from here and show it. Yes, and then what we will do, we will do an else, and then what we will do, we will do the sum something we check whether it is sum minus the index or sum minus the digit. If it's equal, then we will store that also. So we will do hash sum minus array of index is equal to array of index. Now we are done, and now what we will do, we will console log. Okay, first we will check if result is empty, then console log pair not found, otherwise we will print the result. Let's check. Okay, it's result. Yes, So it's working, and you can see there are two pairs inside this, so 8-2 and 7-3. Hope you like this tutorial and short and crisp video. So see you in the next one, where we will discuss a new video, and we will discuss a new topic and a new problem. See you in the next one.